Hey, it's John Simcoe, and in this video, we are going to cover 3 mistakes to avoid when just getting started in your real estate investing. The first mistake is taking helpful advice from someone who has never actually ever done any real estate investing themselves. If they've given money to someone else to do a deal, they might still not really know a whole lot about real estate investing. If they've bought and owned and managed their own rental property, that would qualify them as someone who you could actually take advice from. But if they've never done it, they're going to say this is risky because they don't understand it. They think they're going to be protecting you from making a mistake. But truthfully, real estate is a great vehicle to creating wealth and riches. It takes a bit of time, it's not overnight, but the effects can be incredibly powerful. So you need to stop listening to anyone who is not qualified to give you advice. Make sure they walk the walk. On to mistake number 2, and that's buying every single course that comes your way. Many people that are watching this video, if you're like me, you probably went to different seminars, different events. They will try and sell stuff from the stage. These are not bad people. If they have the information that you want to learn, it is totally worth shortcutting your success and buying a course. But the one way to make sure that you're not successful is to go out there and buy 3, 4, 5. I know people who have bookshelves full of these courses and they've never opened them, they've never done them, because when they're in the event, they get this little high to think, I can make all these riches and I'm gonna go out there and do it. But then the event's over, the weekend's done, the enthusiasm dies down, and they don't do anything. So the one thing that you can do is actually study the courses that you buy. By studying the courses that you buy and then actually going out there and taking action, that's when the dollars come back to you. I found some of my greatest returns have been in buying courses for myself to further my own knowledge, and I believe the same for you. But you actually have to go out there and practice it, do it, and get better at it. There's no better teacher than the real world. And the third mistake that I also see happening a lot is that people don't really know why they're doing their real estate investing. If you just think that you can get money and it's gonna work, well, you can get money, but you're probably gonna lose a bit of motivation along the way. It's not really a strong enough reason why. So I'm gonna ask you to deep down, dive inside, reach inside, figure out, why do you really want this? For a lot of people, like for me, it could be having a fancy car. I love having a nice sports car. For other people, it could be traveling around the world. Maybe they want some more time to spend with their family. They're willing to put a little bit of time up front to save time later on in their life and get some of their own freedom back. That's a real powerful why. And if you can put some pictures to that why, it'll mean so much more to you, and it's going to keep your burning desire going strong. And that's what's going to get you from studying and learning to making deals and actually putting some money in your pocket and helping all those around you. So make sure you know exactly why you're doing this. It's not just about money, but it's about what this money can do for you and your lifestyle. Those are the 3 mistakes that I typically see a lot of people making when they're just getting started out in their real estate businesses. So if you want to be able to learn a little bit more, network with some other like-minded deal makers who are also getting going, come join the private Facebook group. The link is in the description. And make sure you subscribe to Deal Flow Monthly, where we cover all kinds of deal analysis, breakdowns. I will show you real life deals where I put my own money and break it all down so you can get a clear understanding of what the real world results are like, not just a spreadsheet that tells you what you could make. You can see what you really will make out of it. Also, there's other tips like market updates, different strategies, and a lot of helpful resources. Make sure you subscribe to Deal Flow Monthly. So I'm John Simcoe. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next week.